Do you have property that you're looking to sell quickly? Green Street Home Buyers is a real estate investment firm that buys properties directly from homeowners and landlords for cash in North Carolina. Because we buy directly, there are no showings, banks, fees, or commissions. We are able to close quickly and provide the most seamless, headache-free transaction possible. We buy in as-is condition, so there are no expensive repairs or renovations required. Give us a call or fill out the short form on our website. We'll then schedule an in-person or virtual inspection of the property to determine if any repairs are required after we complete the purchase. Then we'll present to you a formal cash offer to buy the property. You can choose the closing date that works for you. We can close in as little as 2 weeks. If you're looking for a simple, headache-free real estate transaction, give us a call at Green Street Home Buyers.